schedule is looking actually kind of busy in the morning and then light in the afternoon, so I'm grateful for that. So I'm going to be starting Invisalign soon. Invisalign is like one of the clear aligners that help to straighten teeth without doing the traditional braces. They're really helpful, and I am starting my trays very soon. I think I only have 9 trays. It is nice outside. It was a really good day at work today. Now I'm heading to the gym. Yay! Welcome back to our channel. I'm really excited to do this video because honestly I've been going on this health journey and you know, just working out, trying to lose weight and build muscle, and I have to do it with a healthy foundation. So I'm trying to have better eating habits, and I've been finding some really cool fun tips and tricks. So I don't know, maybe in the next couple of videos I'll feature some of my really good meals. You guys will probably be seeing some of my really fun meals, or my favorite meals rather. So I'm gonna put this little cutie down and we're gonna get started. Okay, you guys, so while we wait for the oven to warm up, I want to show you guys some finds that I found at Aldi's. Why didn't anybody ever tell me that Aldi's is way cheaper than the regular grocery store, and you can find so many good things in there? Like, I'm just trying to figure out why nobody told me. Like, okay, these I did not get at Aldi's. I actually got this at Walgreens for buy one get one free. Sorry, buy one get one half off. Had a special employee discount. Used their discount and it ended up being like, I think it went down I think it went down to, when I got the both of them, it went down to like $30. So 15, 30. Then I got some keto ice cream. This is a really good steal for like a snack at nighttime. I'm honestly not even a big ice cream person. Even if I get jars like these, I regularly just have like 2 teaspoonfuls. This is bomb. Another great snack here are these hummus crisps, and I love a good kick to my snacks, so I got the sweet chili one. This has 110 calories per 21 chips. I'm not gonna eat 21 chips, so half of 21 is about 10 and some change. Half of those calories are about 55 calories. Come on, that's a steal. And it's chickpea, so it has really good protein in it. All right. So now down to the nitty gritty of what I wanted to do this whole video on. So I'm gonna be using a lot of spinach this week. I got salmon for my meal prep. $8 for the salmon. Not even, you know what? Not even $8. $6 for the salmon. I got my broccoli. Got my radishes. Taevon and Amanda are about to get engaged. Okay? Okay? I gotta. Everybody's here and we're excited. They're so cute. Yes, yes. Got Ashley. We got Imani. Yeah. Yeah, we got people in the room. Yes, Beyonce. Beyonce. It's giving cute. It's giving cute. We got May in the house. I'll show you guys a little bit more later. I had to put my glasses on because I couldn't see Taevon coming in. Here, guys.
And every year you remind me of how great and amazing you are as a woman. And extra red. Every year you remind me of how amazing of a woman you are. And
Big up on yourself, enough love, respect.
We're super, super excited for you both. Can't wait to see her face when she walks in here. I just want to say I'm so happy for you. I can't wait. Congrats, guys! We're so excited for the nuptials. And we're excited for Amanda and Taevon. We've been waiting for this day. We've been waiting for this day. We're so excited for you guys. I love you guys.
I'm super excited.
just walking on a little stroll here by the water. Just chilling in this casual 73 degrees. Nice and all.
What are you trying to do?
Is it not 73 degrees? That's what my car said. Maybe my car is just hot.
Oh, you mean ask somebody right here?
Yeah. Some people in the back walking. Yeah. Good Friday. Say good Friday. Okay. Good Friday. Good Friday.
Nobody should be saying